This is going to be a really quick editorial on how to use the YouTube redirect feature. First thing is if you try to redirect your live stream to a channel that is not set up to receive it, you'll get this message. You don't have redirect privileges. So the channel you are sending your live stream to must go into the YouTube studio on a computer. You cannot do this on a mobile device. To set this up, you got to go to Settings, and then Community. And you can see there's the moderators, all kinds of information, but you go down here to this live redirects, and those are the channels that you can redirect. Those are the channels that you allow creators to redirect their live to your channel. But we're working with the, we're playing around with the YouTube redirect app, or the YouTube redirect feature. When I start my live stream, I have to put down the channels that I want to direct the live stream to, but as you can see, if the channel I'm going to doesn't have a live stream set up, it's not available. But there's details, monetization. You're going to go down here to redirect. When you're setting up your live stream, click on add. Click on the channel you want to transfer this over to. So the channel I'm sending my live stream to has to have a live stream set up. So far we did test one just with the regular YouTube app and the YouTube studio, and as soon as I end my live, the live switched over to Bikes with Turlo. So it's just like we just jumped from one live right into another one. So all the people that were in the one live jumped immediately over to his. We did notice that he had 0 people in his live. It took maybe about 30 seconds to a minute before, and I was in his live. I jumped over and moved over there. I was in his live. It showed there was 0. So it was about 30 seconds to a minute before the people that were in my live actually showed up on his count. So I guess just something to keep in mind. So we just tried test number 2 and found out that it does not work with Streamyard. So when he's on Streamyard, YouTube Studio, even though he's on and live, the YouTube Studio does not recognize that live stream, so I cannot transfer people over to his live stream. So it looks like this only works in YouTube Studio. In fact, it looks like this will only work in YouTube Studio when both parties are using YouTube Studio. You can't use any outside companies, at least right now. They're always making changes. One more addition I forgot to add was when trying to go live from a mobile device, you don't seem to have the option to put in the redirect or redirect channel name. So this may only be available on a desktop or laptop device.